At the Washington Department of Ecology, we are deeply committed to protecting, preserving, and enhancing Washington's environment for current and future generations. We make this happen in partnership with other state agencies, tribes, local governments, and community groups, because we all have a part to play in protecting the planet. So when did it all start? Let's go back to February 23rd, 1970, more than 50 years ago. The state legislature passed a bill that created the Department of Ecology, the very first environmental protection agency in the nation. We have been investing in Washington's environment ever since, and we continue to prepare for the future so our state can be strong and resilient in the face of climate change. We're involved in communities from the peninsula to the Palouse and everywhere in between. Our regional offices keep us connected across the state, while our 10 environmental programs focus on the many different facets of environmental protection. Air quality strives to reduce toxic air pollution and works to cut the greenhouse gases that are driving climate change, so our state can reach net zero by 2050. Environmental assessment keeps our science up to date by monitoring, collecting, and sharing data. Hazardous waste and toxics reduction helps businesses manage their dangerous waste and prevent harmful pollution. Nuclear waste oversees the cleanup of the Hanford nuclear site, keeping the area safe from radioactive and chemical hazards. Shorelands and environmental assistance supports local conservation efforts, wherever land and water meet. Solid waste management makes sure our waste and recycling programs are effective and efficient. Our spills program works to prevent, prepare, and respond quickly to oil or hazardous spills. Toxics cleanup helps coordinate cleanup for sites that are contaminated by hazardous waste. Water quality protects Washington's water for both humans and wildlife to thrive. Water Resources manages water supply to ensure we continue to meet the needs of people, farms, and fish. Alongside our 10 environmental programs, we have 3 offices dedicated to specific missions. The Columbia River, to meet water needs for fish and communities in eastern Washington. The Chehalis River Basin, to reduce flood-related damage and restore habitat for aquatic species. And Equity and Environmental Justice, which works to address long-standing environmental inequities and pave the way toward health and resiliency for every Washingtonian. And that commitment to our communities is what drives all of our work. 2/3 of our budget passes through our agency and goes directly to improving our state's environment through grants, loans, and partnerships. Because we care about our communities. We care about our land, air, and water. We care about our home, for today and for future generations.